How to sign into your CRA account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In order to sign into your CRA account, you want to open up any web browser. Now, head over to the official website of Canada Revenue Agency. Here you want to click on the option of sign into a CRA account. You will have several options to sign in, such as sign in partner, CRA user ID and password, provincial partner. If you are new, you can also create a new account by clicking on register for a CRA account. Now, I'm going to select the option of CRA user ID and password. On the next page, you will have to enter some credentials. First of all, enter your user ID. Then you want to enter your password. In case you have forgotten your user ID, click on Forgot Your User ID link. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Now go ahead and click on the Sign In option. After that, you will have to complete some verification steps. Once that is done, you will be successfully signed into your CRA account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.